Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be lovely collection of semi silk sarees, art silk sarees, some lovely weaving in the Banarasi sarees. All the sarees are going to be quite rich, grand sarees which you can wear for some functions or for weddings, those kind of collections. Beautiful sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 and without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A very beautiful Banarasi saree, such a rich grand saree in nice tomato pink with navy blue border with a beautiful golden zari on both the sides of the saree and a very pretty paisley running through the body of the saree with self embossed design also in the body. The pallu of the saree is this with rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is in navy blue, and the price of this saree is 1350. A very beautiful mustard with red color combination Banarasi silk saree, beautiful one with a nice big border on the bottom part, on the other side a small border, and throughout the body it's a very beautiful paisley with self embossed pattern in the body also. Really rich grand sarees. The pallu of the saree is this, the blouse of the saree is this in contrast, and the price of this saree is 1350. A very beautiful peacock blue with navy blue contrast border on the Banarasi silk saree. Such a grand and rich saree. Bottom part it's a big border, and throughout the body a beautiful paisley running through the body. Very classy rich sarees these sarees are. The pallu of the saree is this, a grand rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 1350. Very beautiful sandal with red color combination Banarasi silk saree, which is classy color combination. Very beautiful color combination in the Banarasi, and a very long time color. Very nostalgic colors also. Beautiful combination, and throughout the body we have a very pretty embossed pattern design running through the body with motifs also. The pallu of the saree is this rich red pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1350. A very pretty maroon with navy blue combination Banarasi saree. The border is very midnight blue, dark navy blue. It's a midnight blue, almost like black, and throughout the body it's a beautiful paisley zari design running through the body of the saree. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1350. A very pretty dark Vadamalli shade with a midnight blue combination in the border. A beautiful Banarasi saree in zari woven pattern. The body is completely woven in zari with beautiful design running through the body, and we have small embossed pattern design in the body also. The material is really soft. If you pleat it, it will be like no stick to you. It will so nice, such a soft material. This is how the body looks. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1350. A nice softy silk saree, very soft Banarasi weave again. The flow of the material will be really super soft. In the bottom part we have a beautiful paisley design, mango paisley design in the border, and throughout the body we have booties running through the body. The color is more mauve shade, very English shades. The pallu of the saree is this rich one with tassels, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 1260. In the same pattern, it's a very pretty nice Sumadi green or peacock green shade with a beautiful zari buttas running through the body of the saree, and in the border we have a beautiful mango pattern design. Very classy one. Rich sarees these sarees are. These are all Banarasi weave. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse, and the price of this saree is 1260. In the same pattern, it's a very beautiful dark navy blue with a lovely butta running through the body of the saree. The material is soft silk actually, Banarasi soft silks. The body of the saree is this classy pattern, And the pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of this saree is 1260. A very beautiful softy silk saree in copper zari. Copper zaris are completely in trend. Very very classy pattern, beautiful pink shade with a lovely copper zari running through the body of the saree. The bottom part we have a bigger border, other side it's a small border. Beautiful classy design. The pallu of the saree is this, rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is also a jacquard blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1380. In the same pattern, it's a very pretty light orange shade with a beautiful copper zari. You could see it looking really classy and like no rich. It more looks like a rich pattu saree look. Very very nice designs for the functions and all. It'll be really very beautiful. Nobody will know it that it's not pure silk. That's the kind of weaving we have in this. This is the body of the saree. The pallu of the saree is this with tassels, and the price of this saree is 1380. A very beautiful soft silk saree. Nice combination of green and pink combination with a beautiful border in the bottom part in pink. On the other side a small border. Throughout the body we have a weaving running through the body, a zari motif of mango pattern design, and inside that also we have a self weaving. Very very classy rich Banarasi sarees these sarees are. The pallu of the saree is this with tassels, and the blouse of the saree is this, a rich blouse in brocade, and the price of this saree is 1450. In the same pattern, it's a very beautiful dark green with red color combination, softy material, very very soft Banarasi weaves, a lovely paisley in the border, and throughout the body also we have nice mango pattern design with small embossed pattern running through the body of the saree. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is in contrast red shade with brocade pattern, and the price of this saree is 1450. In the same pattern, it's a very pretty orange with pink color combination, the softy silk material with copper zari weavings. You could see it. Very very beautiful one. Copper zari is completely in trend now with the mango paisley in the body, and the body of the saree is this. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is in brocade pink, and the price of this saree is 1450. A very beautiful orange with black color combination Banarasi saree with a beautiful zari woven pattern running through the body of the saree. The bottom part is in contrast black, and the other side it's a small border. Very very rich grand saree. This is how the saree looks, more like a silk saree pattern. The pallu of the saree is this, rich grand pallu. The blouse of the saree is this, a nice brocade blouse, and the price of the saree is 1450. A nice ramar blue with navy blue combination Banarasi saree. Very beautiful weaving running through the body of the saree. The pallu of the saree is this with rich grand pallu, and the blouse of the saree is a nice grand brocade blouse in gold, and the price of the saree is 1450. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful Ananda blue with pink color combination, lovely copper zari border with a beautiful zari woven design running through the body of the saree. Classic design and very rich weaved sarees. So this is the body of the saree. This is how it looks, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is in contrast pink with brocade design in the blouse also, and the price of this saree is 1450. A nice pink with green color combination Banarasi saree with complete zari woven pattern running through the body of the saree in nice paisley designs. Beautiful combination. The pallu of the saree is this with rich pallu with tassels, and the blouse of the saree is in green. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1450. A nice green with pink color combination Banarasi saree with a beautiful design running through the body in golden zari with a lovely contrast border. Very very classic beautiful color combination. The pallu of the sari is this with rich pallu, and the blouse of the sari is a grand brocade blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1450. A very beautiful Banarasi sari in nice copper zari border, very beautiful talambo border which has been running throughout the body of the sari, and the body is completely self-woven design, self-embossed pattern design, classic pattern. The pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1300. In the same pattern, it's a very lovely nice dark coffee brown shade, beautiful copper zari design with a talambu border, classic pattern. The pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, and we have tassels in this, and the price of this sari is 1300. In the same pattern, it's a very beautiful honey color, like no, very beautiful mix of mustard and orange shade, perfect honey color with a beautiful talambu border. And the pallu of the sari is this, completely copper zari, so it looks really rich and grand. So this is how the sari looks when you wear it, very classy one. And the price of this sari is 1300. In the same pattern, it's a very beautiful grey with copper zari border. So this is how the body looks. This is the body of the sari, classic lovely color combination. And the pallu of the sari is this with copper zari, and the blouse is a running blouse for this sari, and the price of this sari is 1300. A nice pink color, reddish pink color art silk sari with beautiful zari border on both the sides, and throughout the body a self-embossed pattern design with a nice elephant motive also running through the body of the sari. You could see it, very beautiful design, exactly an imitation of a pure pattu silk, kanji silk, very classic pattern, but the material is really super soft. It will like no float with you. That's how the material is. The pallu of the sari is this, a rich beautiful blouse pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this in plain pink with border, and the price of the sari is 2600. Beautiful green color art silk sari with a lovely design, more like a pattu sari combination. Both the sides we have a nice zari border, and throughout the body it's a self-embossed pattern with small zari woven design running through the body. You can see that also, very classy pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 2600. Very beautiful Rani color art silk sari with a nice zari border on both the sides. Throughout the body a beautiful self-embossed pattern design running through the body with small elephant motifs and zari design running through the body of the sari, classic pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 2600. A very pretty green color with pink color combination contrast art silk sari with a lovely border of copper and thread woven design in pink and green and copper zari. Very different pattern of weaving in the border. On the other side it's a smaller border but very classic pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, a very rich pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1800. A very pretty orangish pink color art silk sari with a nice zari border in floral pattern design. If you could see this, the border is so different with meenakari work. Beautiful pattern. Both the sides we have the same type of border. Classic beautiful combination. The pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, and the blouse of the sari is in contrast pink, and the price of the sari is 1800. A very pretty violet color soft silk sari, art soft silk sari with a beautiful border on both the sides with a lovely pattern of design in copper zari and in thread weavings in different colors. Looks really classy and very grand and rich. This is how the sari looks, very classy pattern. It's a dark violet, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is a nice pink. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1800. A nice dark khaki shade with a very beautiful blue color combination art silk sari with a beautiful copper zari border Very pretty combination, looks really classy. A big and small border pattern, and throughout the body also we have a self embossed design, very classic design. And the pallu of the sari is this, with rich pallu and copper zari. And the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 2600. Very classic different combination, dark violet with a blue color border. A beautiful sapphire blue, that's a very different blue also, with a copper zari border. A very classy pattern. On the other side it's a small border. Throughout the body it's a small self embossed pattern running through the body. Looks really classy. This is how the sari looks. So much like a real pattu sari. The pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 2600. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.